demystifying the world of advertising. All right, everyone, buckle up because we're about to pull back the curtain and unveil the fascinating world of advertising. Think about it, you're walking down the street, minding your own business when bam, a giant billboard catches your eye. It's advertising a juicy burger that practically makes your stomach growl. Later that day, you're scrolling through social media and see an ad for those sneakers you've been eyeing forever. You click on the link, and next thing you know, you've hit purchase. Advertising is everywhere, right? It's plastered on billboards, follows you on your phone, and might even sneak into your dreams. Those catchy jingles, am I right? But have you ever stopped to wonder, how exactly does it all work? What's the secret sauce behind those eye-catching ads that make us crave that burger or finally pull the trigger on those new shoes? Well, that's where we come in. This first chapter is all about demystifying the world of advertising. We'll break it down into bite-sized pieces, from the basic lingo and concepts to the history of advertising and the different types of ads bombarding us every day. We'll even explore the goals and motivations behind these ads so you can understand what businesses are really trying to achieve when they bombard us with messages. So grab a snack, popcorn, anyone, and get ready for an exciting journey through the wacky world of advertising. Before we dive into the deep end, let's get familiar with some key terms. These are basically the building blocks of advertising, so understanding them is essential. Advertising, think of it as any paid message that's trying to sell you something, a product, a service, even an idea. Marketing, this is the bigger picture, the entire process of planning, promoting, and selling stuff. Advertising is just one piece of the marketing puzzle. Target audience, imagine a specific group of people. That's the target audience the folks an ad is specifically designed to reach. Ad campaign, picture a series of ads all working together like a team with one goal in mind. That's an ad campaign, a unified effort to achieve a specific advertising objective. Brand, this is the overall image and perception of a product, service, or company. Think of it as their personality. Brand message, this is the key idea or feeling a brand wants you to associate with them. It's like their personal motto. Advertising agency, imagine a company that helps businesses create and launch those ad campaigns we see everywhere. That's an advertising agency, basically the ad experts. Now, let's take a trip down memory lane and explore the history of advertising. Believe it or not, advertising has been around for centuries. But it wasn't until the 18th century with the rise of newspapers and magazines that it really took off. These new platforms allowed businesses to reach a much wider audience with their messages. The 20th century saw advertising evolve even further with the invention of radio and television. These new media allowed for more immersive and emotional ads that could really connect with consumers on a deeper level. Fast forward to today, and the advertising landscape is more complex than ever before. The internet and social media have opened up a whole new world of channels for businesses to reach their target audience. But with this comes more competition for our attention. Businesses need to be extra creative and innovative to stand out from the crowd. Now, let's talk about the different types of advertising you encounter every day. Broadly speaking, there are two main categories. Traditional advertising, this includes the classics print ads in magazines and newspapers, TV commercials that interrupt your favorite show, radio ads that blare during your commute, and those giant billboards lining the highway. Digital advertising, this is the world of online ads, social media ads that pop up in your feed, and search engine marketing that makes sure a specific business shows up when you search for something online. Within these two categories, there are even more subcategories. For example, online ads can be display ads, those banner ads you see on websites, video ads, those short clips that play before a YouTube video, or even native ads, those cleverly disguised ads that blend in with the content you're already looking at. The type of advertising a business uses depends on a number of factors, like who they're trying to reach their target audience, how much money they have to spend their budget, and what they ultimately want to achieve their goals. Speaking of goals, why exactly do businesses advertise? Well, there are a few main reasons. Increase brand awareness. This is like making sure everyone knows your name and what you do. Businesses want to get their brand out there so people recognize it when they see it or hear about it. Generate leads. Think of it as finding potential customers who might be interested in what you're offering. Businesses want to capture these leads, like collecting email addresses or phone numbers so they can reach out to them later and nurture the relationship. Drive sales. This is the ultimate goal, to convince people to buy their products or services. Businesses want to turn those leads into paying customers and boost their sales figures. Build customer loyalty. This is about keeping those customers coming back for more. Businesses want to create a positive experience and build a strong relationship with their customers so they keep buying from them instead of the competition. When creating an ad campaign, it's crucial for businesses to clearly define their goals and objectives. This helps them choose the right channels, craft the right message, and measure the success of the campaign. So, there you have it, a basic overview of the world of advertising. We've covered a lot of ground, but there's still much more to learn. In the next episodes, we'll dive deeper into the different aspects of advertising, from creating effective ads to measuring their impact. Get ready for an exciting journey through the ever-evolving world of advertising.